Hi COS Giants! I hope you're all adjusting well to the new online formatting of classes. As a student myself, I know that it could be a bit challenging. We just wanted to let you know that those resources that you had in person are now available to you online. Resources such as tutoring resources like the Math Lab, the Writing Center, and other general tutorials. Let me show you how to access those.
So first you're going to want to go to cos.edu and we'll click the My Giant orange box in the corner. Here you will use your universal login to sign in, and this will take you to your My Giant portal. And the tutoring services are on Canvas, so we'll click on Canvas. This is our dashboard, but we're going to go ahead and go to courses. A list of your courses will be listed here, but we'll click on the Hanford campus. So we have our hub services listed first, but if we scroll down a bit, it says COS Hanford Educational and Student Support Services. Since we're looking specifically on general tutoring, we're going to scroll down and here's our general tutoring links. Let's go ahead and click on one of these just to see what it looks like. For each one of these pages, it will say what subject it is, who the tutor is, when they're available, their email, and if they are able to set up a Zoom meeting with you. If you click on the Math Lab and Writing Center, it gives you instructions on how to access the tutoring services with the Math Lab or Writing Center, and these are the subjects that are listed. Let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. So we will go back to your My Giant portal, you'll click COS Tutor, and it should look like this. So right here you can choose what service you want, whether it's the Writing Center, Math Lab, Essay Drop-Off, General Tutorials. We'll just go with Math Lab. If you scroll down, this is a schedule of who the tutors are, what day they're available, what times they're available. If you hover over a box at a certain time, so this one says reserve at 3 p.m. on March 26th, you could just click on that and it'll bring you to this page to make an appointment. And then the same thing goes for the Writing Center. Just like so. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we wish you the best of luck. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.